Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and today we are going to learn to draw Frankenstein. It's getting close to Halloween, so I thought it'd be fun to do some Halloween art lessons. So this is gonna be one of them. This is Boo. Have you ever been to the playlist? You can learn to draw a spider. And if you haven't seen all of the other marker drawings that we've done, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more of them. This is one of the most popular marker drawings. Don't forget to subscribe and go to the playlist that says markers. So it's getting close to Halloween again, so I thought I would do some sketches. Look at all these fun sketches. And we are going to create some monsters. We can make them silly. Like this could be silly. It doesn't have to be scary. I thought we would do this cute little Frankenstein. Now I am going to get a pencil and I am going to pencil out. This is marker paper, okay? But I'm going to actually do it in pencil, so then we get basically the proportions to make sure that he has legs and feet on him. You're going to do a square or a rectangle at the top. His head is going to be a rectangle, and you get to choose how big you want his head to be. I'm kind of making him have a really big head. I thought that would be funny. So he has a big head, and he has two eyes. So I'm going to go on and put big circles on here for his two eyes. He's going to have eyebrows and then circles in his eyes. That's the color of his eye. And then we'll have the black part of the eye and his nose. I thought it would be kind of fun to make it long and skinny and then kind of flare out like that. Isn't that fun? And then he's going to have a big smile. And he's going to be friendly. He's not going to be scary. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put his shoulders on. As you can see, we're going to pull lines out on each side to create his body. So we're going to pull a line out over here and pull it down. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Pull it out, pull it down. And they need to be about the same size. They don't have to be. I guess one arm could be longer than the other. That would be kind of funny, actually. Maybe we'll do that. We'll make this arm over here longer than that arm. I mean, after all, he's Frankenstein, right? Okay, and then we're going to go in here and we're going to put two stripes down the middle. And this is going to be his jacket. Pull a jacket over. Pull the jacket over. Just like that. So this is going to be his shirt. This is his jacket. On his jacket, I thought it'd be fun to put like a pocket. So I put a curve line and then two lines and another curve line underneath it and then two straight lines, and that could be his pocket. And then I thought it'd be fun, maybe he tore his jacket, so we're going to put a big old patch right here and patchwork marks. So it kind of looks like it's been sewn on. Okay, and then here we're going to put his pants on. So basically we're going to make him, it's going to be really easy pants. You know, they're just going to be a straight line down, another straight line down. You got to get it where, it's got to be where you can't make his pants come all the way down or you won't be able to see that he has feet. So I'm going to do pants down, and then in the middle we're going to split it. And then pull it over here, pull it over there. There's his pants. Now, he's going to have jeans on. So jeans usually have a zipper in there. And then maybe the jeans have pockets. So we're going to indicate pockets on each side. And then I'm going to put his shoes on. And his shoes, I'm going to go down here and make him have really big heels. And then how I'm going to do the shoes is I'm just going to take my pencil and I'm going to make sure I'm on, take my pencil, make sure I'm on camera here, take my pencil and I'm going to go way out like that and then flatten it off. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. like that, and then we go way out back, and there's his shoes, and he has big old goofy shoes on. Okay, and then over here we want to put, you know, we're going to put hands on him. So the way I'm going to do it, just to let you know, I'm just going to do 2 little marks and then a circle. And then if you look at my hands, the thumbs are on the inside. So we're going to do a thumb, and then we'll do the fingers. And you can make your fingers any way you want to, but we're going to make 2 lines, a circle, the thumb is on the inside, and then we're going to do the rest of the fingers like that. See how I did that? Frankenstein usually has a scar, and Frankenstein has these things sticking out of his head. I really don't even know what they're called, but we're going to do 2 lines out, and then 2 lines out for this stuff sticking out. And then we're going to do we're going to put some hair on him. And so I'm going to have his hair start down here, and then it's just going to do this. And then I'm just going to go back and forth, zigzag line, until I have hair on him. And then I'm going to put a scar on him, which is basically a line and lines that go through it. So now that we have him drawn, and he's almost like that one, it's a little different. Now we need to figure out how do we want to color him. And I thought what I would do is have like a blue-gray looking jacket, and then blue jeans, black shoes on, and I'm going to make him green. So I've already picked out some colors here, and so maybe you do this before you get started. We want to pick out the colors that we want to use. I am using marker paper and alcohol markers with the exception of yellow because my yellow's out. So this is just a Crayola brand marker for the yellow if I decide to put yellow in here. But I think what I want to do is I want to do him green. So here's green, and we can do his pants blue. This is 8606 blue. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to go in here. Ooh, and his pants are darker than I thought they were going to be, but that's okay. Go in here, make his jeans. Like that. Now I can still see the pencil lines, just to let you know, because I'm going to go back with a black marker, and then I thought his jacket could be gray. I decided to grab a green marker for his hands, and then I thought his little patch would be great if it was red. So that's what I did, was found a red marker, and I'm making the little patch red. So I decided to use a light gray marker for the pocket, and I found this really bright green for his head. I thought he would be fun if he was all green all over. So that's what I'm doing, is I'm going around his hair with this green marker. And making his hair look zigzag, which I thought would be fun.
After I colored in his face, I went back and made him have some green eyes. Then I took a darker blue marker to go around his, around the outside of his pants so they look like blue jeans. I went through and I got a black marker. I made him have black hair. Feel free to turn the page around. Sometimes it's so much easier to color part of the page if you just turn the page around. Feel free to do that. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. I thought his scar could be black. And then I got a black marker. I started going over and over around his eyes. Make sure that you give him eyeballs so he can see. I went around his nose with the black marker. And then I started outlining his jacket. And don't forget to put the patch is sewn onto his jacket. So you want to make sure that we put the little hash mark so it looks like the little patch has been sewn onto his jacket. I decided to do brown shoes.
Why don't I have regular brown? I thought we'd have brown boots, something different. I don't like that color. Remember, always test your colors before you go to your page. So I think brown boots. And then we'll put a black heel on it. Then we'll go back with the black and make sure he has a black heel on his boot. Like that. This is funny.
Oh, he turned out so cute. I hope you enjoyed drawing Frankie with me. I think Frankie ended up really cute.
Maybe his pants are rolled up.
And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.